So this is our new project. We're going to be doing the exterior of this house. All the brown that you see will be gray. So we're going to be changing all this. And it's going to be one of our bigger jobs. And I'm going to walk you around the back side of the house so you can get an idea of what Jerry's going to be doing. He don't want to be in the video. Oh, that's really high up there. It's 2-story. That's going to be a big job. Oh, look at this porch. That porch is big. I wonder if she'll want the doors and all painted. Probably.
Outside, Penny.
This is huge. Look at the lattice. I wonder if she's going to leave those floors wood. This is a nice house.
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's it for now. I'll get back with you when we get started on it next couple of days. And you'll see some of the... Well, you get to see our new paint machine, so you'll get to see how that works. Thanks. Bye.